Tapos may mga stitches din siya. Ganda ng pagkakagawa rito sa battle damage head and also the redness around the eyes ni Frank Castle. And also meron siyang kasamang parang Viking helmet na pwede mo siyang i-equip both battle damaged and regular head. And also pwede mo ring i-equip yung kanyang bat and yung machete. Pwede, I think kung meron kayong blue tack, pwede mo isabit dito sa likod. Okay, tapos ito yung kanyang motorcycle. Very nice motorcycle design. I think pareho to sa, I think may similarities sa Captain America na first Avenger na Marvel Legends. So this one, the whole body is black. Tapos yung plate number niya yellow and blue yung nasa taas, NYC. PNSH 616. I think this is Earth 616. I'm not sure. Yung lights na dito, red. And then you have the gas tank. Punisher logo. Dun sa speedometer, very nice. Tapos, meron siyang headlight. Tapos dito rin, meron siyang signal lights. Red din yung color. And then yung wheels naman, umaandar naman to. Okay. So, if you are going to play with the motorcycle, maayos yung umaandar. And then you have the long na handlebars para dun sa Punisher na para dito sa Punisher na motorcycle. And then kung i-equip mo siya, ganito yung magiging appearance niya. Okay? Very nice. In proportion naman siya dito sa sa action figure. So if you are going to put the hands over here, super cool. Okay? Abot pa rin naman niya and super nice ng forma ni Punisher pag nakasakay sa motorcycle. Lalo na pag all black and very unified yung look. Alright. So yun lang ang ating review in terms of articulations. The head can look up, down, 360. Tapos 360 din yung hands, ay yung arms. You can move outward, downward, 360. Tapos rotation sa arms, double jointed na elbow, more than 90 degrees. Tapos yung wrist niya, pwedeng pwedeng mag-rotate using a ball joint. Tapos you can back stretch that far, ab crunch that far. You can rotate the waist, tapos kick that far, back kick that far. You can move out, inside. Meron ding rotations or swivel, double jointed knee, tapos ball jointed yung paa. Okay? In terms of looks, super nice ng Punisher na to. Ganda ng Punisher set, lalo na